nigga, I ain't stupid, I stop. Then my dough come quicker, whoa. Shorty hit the spit, now that you move so erotic. Watch down like bounce that ass, girl. I get it bump in here, I make it jump in here. Front and hand, wheels up in here. Oh, I'm so gutter, so ghetto, so hood. So gully, so grimy, what's good? I started Benz on girls, I'm in the club, snug. Don't start nothing, it won't be nothing,
Coming straight out of Compton, lace up my G6s and I'm 8-tail stomping. Got 10,000 cash in my pocket, let the pump in. Cause Lou and Young Buck always getting me into something. Low rider out front, I'm trying to get into something. Step on bank shoe one more time and I'ma start busting. Rose gold in my grill, I got a dirty mouth and a bitch with a fat ass from the dirty, dirty south. I wasn't trying to get the cover of the double XL, just trying to fuck Maya, cause Dre said sex sales. Don't be mad at the rocks in my fucking chain. Don't be mad cause your bitch chose fucking game. You see the logo tatted on my neck, the same when I'm autographing on the chest. Put your bottles in the air for Yayo, he on house arrest. And on behalf of 50 Cent, this is G-Unit West.
Travel, I know I'm gon' get stuck. Cause they ass is the airport like I'm when that's blowing shit up. I got the visions of a high school teacher and a bright future. What the fuck would I have on my sneaker? All the good girls back off us. My heart's colder than Jack Frost's. We pack shows and the strike bosses. We black rose on my black horses. A black rose for a rat's coffin. More O's than that back coffin. Going the road, then I'm back flossing. No knows how much that costing. Fuck ass on your brain over me. I got a clean Uzi, a pair of gloves and a mask from the Scream movie. So if you plotting on popping off, skiing smoothly. I get a little red splatter on your cream cookie. My name from each state, so you ain't gotta go all the way to LA to get your MCE. I'm so fly.
With kids I knew, my fucking friends all turned against me. Said fuck it, bought me a dog. Ever since me and my dog has been like this. He got my back, I got his. Scheming on mad niggas, that's how we do biz. It's about time to start another robbery spree. And yo, my way is highway robbery. When I was in office, sing, I was sending niggas home in the coffin. Living like an orphan, bad nigga. I'll be back to see if you be still here. You know my style, I'll put your fucking man in a wheelchair. He'll never walk again on the strength of me. That's how I left from G, scared to death of me. Niggas cannot run, hit with the hot run.